Hi there, it's George here, and today I have to move my bamboo outside. This bamboo behind me, and I did grow it from seed. It is Mosso Bamboo. I planted then in this huge pot, and I have to move it outside because it's time. And I will see, you will see actually how I will move this huge pot outside because it's very hard. But anyway, I will try. And let's start. Well, slowly by slowly I have to bring it here. Yes, yeah. Well, as you can see how I'm moving it, yeah, outside. Well, now I have to open the door. Smells so good the bamboo. I touch it, the leaves smells like a grass. It's quite challenging. It was grow a lot during the winter time, but in summer I think will grow much more. The pot barely fits into this door. Oh. Well, in this place I put the bamboo like last year and should be grow beautiful and the shoots more tall than this. And will grow when will be hot outside. It's not yet hot, but 20 degrees like that. And shoots started to grow already, some shoots, but I wait for that shoots when will grow more thick and we'll see. Have to water at the time, and yeah, thanks a lot for watching me how I did move the bamboo outside, and I hope you appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.